Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that you know the basics, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process of replacing your wheel seal. We'll also highlight common mistakes to avoid. Let's get to work. Step-by-step guide to wheel seal replacement. Changing a wheel seal might seem like a job for a pro, but with some patience and the right tools, you can do it yourself. Let's walk through the steps to get it done right. Preparing the vehicle. First things first, safety is key. Before you start, you need to safely lift your vehicle and remove the wheel. Here's how. Park on a flat surface. Make sure your car is on level ground to prevent it from rolling. Engage the parking brake. Pull up the handbrake to keep your car from moving. Loosen the lug nuts slightly. Use a lug wrench to loosen, but not remove, the lug nuts on the wheel. Jack up the car. Place a jack under the vehicle's frame near the wheel you are working on. Lift the car until the tire is off the ground. Use jack stands. Once the car is up, place jack stands under the car for extra safety. Remove the wheel. Now, fully unscrew the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Removing the old wheel seal. Removing the old wheel seal requires precision. Here's what to do. Access the wheel hub. Depending on your vehicle, you might need to remove the brake caliper and rotor to reach the hub. Clean the area. Wipe away any dirt or grease around the old seal. Pry out the old seal. Use a seal puller or a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the old seal out. Be gentle to avoid damaging the hub. Check for damage. Inspect the hub and axle for any signs of wear or damage. Installing the new wheel seal. Now it's time to install the new wheel seal. Here's how to ensure a snug fit. Lubricate the seal. Apply a bit of grease or oil to the new seal to help it slide into place. Position the seal. Place the new seal over the hub, ensuring it is aligned correctly. Tap it in gently. Use a hammer and seal driver tool to tap the seal into place. If you don't have a seal driver, a piece of wood can work as well to tap it evenly around the edges. Double-check the fit. Make sure the seal is fully seated and flush with the hub. Reassembling the wheel assembly. With the new seal in place, it's time to put everything back together. Reattach the rotor and brake caliper. If you had to remove these, now is the time to put them back. Make sure everything is tight and secure. Put the wheel back on. Align the wheel with the hub and screw on the lug nuts by hand. Lower the vehicle. Carefully remove the jack stands and use the jack to lower the car back to the ground. Tighten the lug nuts. Once the wheel is back on the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even tightening. Following these steps will help ensure your wheel seal replacement goes smoothly. Remember to take your time and double-check each step for safety and accuracy. Common mistakes to avoid during replacement. Replacing a wheel seal might seem like a straightforward task, but even small errors can lead to big problems. To ensure you get it right, we've pinpointed some common mistakes and how you can avoid them. Not cleaning the area properly. One of the biggest mistakes is not cleaning the area around the wheel seal. Dirt and grime can cause the new seal to wear out quickly. Make sure to thoroughly clean the hub assembly. Remove all old grease and contaminants. Inspect for rust or damage before installing the new seal. Failing to clean the area can lead to leaks and premature seal failure. Using the wrong seal. Using the incorrect size or type of seal is another frequent error. Even a small difference in size can lead to leakage and wheel damage. Double-check the part number and size before purchasing. Use a caliper to measure the old seal if unsure. Consult the vehicle manual or a professional if needed. Using the wrong seal not only wastes your time but can also damage your vehicle. Incorrect installation technique. Improper installation can ruin a perfectly good seal. Common errors include over-tightening the seal, misaligning the seal during installation, hammering the seal into place. To avoid these, use a seal driver tool and follow the manufacturer's torque specifications. Forgetting to lubricate. Lubrication is critical, yet often overlooked. A dry seal can wear out quickly and lead to leaks. Apply grease to the seal lip before installation. Ensure that the contact surface is also lubricated. Proper lubrication ensures a longer-lasting seal. Ignoring worn bearings. Worn or damaged bearings can ruin your new seal. Always check the condition of the bearings before installing a new seal. Inspect the bearings for wear or damage. Replace any bearings that look worn out. Lubricate the bearings properly before reassembly. Neglecting the bearings can lead to repeat failures and more repairs down the line. Not testing for leaks. After replacing the seal, it's crucial to test the entire assembly for leaks. Often, people skip this step, only to find out there's a problem later. Reassemble the wheel components. Run the vehicle for a short distance. Check for leaks around the seal area. Taking this final step ensures everything is properly sealed and functioning as it should. Avoiding these common mistakes will help you successfully replace your wheel seal and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Pay attention to the details, and you'll avoid costly repairs and downtime. When to seek professional help. Replacing a wheel seal can seem straightforward, but there are times when it's best to call in a professional mechanic. Knowing when to seek help can save you time and money, and ensure your vehicle is safe on the road. Lack of experience. If you've never replaced a wheel seal before or aren't comfortable with car repairs, it's wise to seek professional help. Mechanics have the tools and experience to do the job correctly. Attempting it yourself without proper knowledge can lead to mistakes which might cause further damage and costly repairs. Presence of complex issues. Sometimes, wheel seal replacement is not the only issue. If you notice strange noises, vibrations, or other problems, these could point to deeper issues with your vehicle's axle, bearings, or suspension. Mechanics are trained to diagnose and solve such complex problems, ensuring your car functions properly. Letting an expert handle it can prevent minor issues from turning into major ones. Lack of proper tools. Having the right tools is crucial for any car repair. Wheel seal replacement often requires specific tools you might not have at home. Using the wrong tools can make the job harder and risk damaging parts of your vehicle. Professionals have access to all the necessary equipment to get the job done efficiently and safely. Preventing safety hazards. Safety is paramount when dealing with car repairs. Incorrect installation of a wheel seal can lead to dangerous driving conditions. For instance, if the seal fails while you're driving, it could cause leaking fluids that might affect the brakes. A professional mechanic ensures that all components are properly installed and your car is safe to drive. Warranty considerations. If your car is still under warranty, attempting repairs yourself might void it. Most warranties require repairs to be performed by a certified mechanic. To keep your warranty intact and protect your investment, checking with a professional can be the best course of action. Signs you need a mechanic. Strange noises. Grinding or squeaking sounds from the wheels. Visible leaks. Fluid leaking from the wheel area. Unusual vibrations. Vibrations while driving that weren't present before. Difficulty turning. Hard steering or noises when turning. If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's a good idea to consult a professional to ensure your vehicle remains in top condition. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.